morning, Bakersfield. We're out here on my first job of the day. Get the pump going here. Hopefully you can hear me okay. It's a little different, but heading to my first job. Got everything set up. I got my new sealador set up too. He's running the heater. The client here is running his heater, Jeff, and so I don't want all that cold air. It's not too cold this morning, but enough to where you don't want all that heat and escaping and the cold air getting in. So this thing makes for an awesome little tool here. Love that thing. You can take a look at it. Look at that. Just seals it up completely. So I mean, it's like having a full door right there. It's very nice. All right. But and now I'm doing too much here. It's got some nice hardwood floors, you can see. So we got a little bit of carpet here. We got carpet in there. Carpet around the beds here. Not too bad. Keeps it fairly clean. Do it once a year for him. And come around here, as you can see, he's got some puppies and dogs living here. And yep, nice white rugs. We'll take care of that as well for him. But yeah, everything's looking good to start. He actually left everything, you know, for me to come in, do my job. He's not here. He had to run out before I got here. So that just shows what people think of QMS, you know. Okay, it's coming out really well. As you can see, I've got the dryers there, getting the carpets nice and dry. Everything's coming up good. You can see the difference with a good nylon. And he takes care of it, like I said, so. Actually, this is my new, I've got a new little video recorder, DJI Osmos. Nice little camera, I like this thing. Smooth footage. You can see the difference. A little dirtier than it looked. And this is a little dirtier than it looked because anybody who has dogs, and I have dogs as well, living at the house, they tend to leave a film from their paws and pet hair, so you get that buildup across the carpet, and that attracts soil. But it comes off easy. Not a big deal getting it off if you maintain your carpet, which this client does. So you can see the difference coming up very well. And then what we'll do is when I get done with this area, I'll get the air dryers focused over here so that way they can start drying this section real good. So again, gotta love that sealador. That thing is blocking all the cold air. Always want to do your dry passes. See the difference right there, coming out good. Always protect your corners too. good. So now I'm going to go over to the white rug in the front here, and this will be it. But I'm also going to move those fans around because you always want to make sure I get my areas dry, your main walkways dry for you. Okay, so now we're out here on the living room. Gonna do this white rug. Too bad, doesn't look too bad, but we'll see. Still trying to figure out how to anchor my camera to the scrub wand. I did it the other day, but I didn't have this new DJI camera here, so maybe that'll help. Nope, that's not gonna work, so I'm gonna have to do these edges. Okay, here we go. I got the edges done now. I can do this with one-handed. Let's see here. Oh, great. The enzyme pre-spray that I'm using. You always want to use something with the enzymes when working with pets. Help break those oils. Sometimes they can be stubborn with the general cleaners, so an enzyme will help break it all down. That's why when you call QMS, you know we got the right products to do the job. And if I don't, I will do the research to find out. Nice contrast there. I'm going to finish this up. It's moving around a little bit, and yeah, looking good. Okay, all finished with the job here. I'm going to get everything wrapped up. Get my other items collected here. Got my stuff. Still trying to figure this camera out. There we go. Okay. Alright, sorry. Okay, all finished here. Just gonna get my items. And just called the client, the homeowner. He'll be on his way. He got a little tied up, so no worries. But I'm gonna go ahead and close everything up for him. And yeah, everything came out real good. Rug is nice, bright white again, as you can see from the video earlier. Came out real well. So, just to show you how much people trust me, and I appreciate that. You know, he left the payment right here. So, you know, it's really how should I put it? People who own their own business, self-employed, that means a lot when people put that much trust into them, and being in their house, you know, and being invited in to do work for them. So I appreciate that a lot, and it for anybody who's self-employed knows that feeling. So, but that's it. I'm headed up to my next job. Get my nice little Sealador put away. I love that thing. Probably talk about that for every episode I do here, a video. But yeah, until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next one.